Be honest with yourself for a moment. If today you were given just 24 hours and someone said either you change your life today or you stay the same forever, would you be ready? This is not a motivational speech. This is not an easy challenge. And this video is not here to make you feel good. This video is about one day of truth, one day of courage, one day of a decision that can change your mindset, energy, and direction. If you feel stuck in life, watch this till the end, because today I will share 5 simple steps that can reconnect you with your real self in just one day. Step 1. Choose your day. The first step is simple. Choose one full day only for yourself. This day is only yours. No phone, no scrolling, no TV, no noise. At first, you will feel uncomfortable. Your hand will keep reaching for your phone. Your mind will create excuses. But this discomfort is important, because when the noise stops, the thoughts you've been avoiding start coming to the surface. Step 2. The mirror truth. Now, stand in front of a mirror. No music, no affirmations, just you and your own eyes. Ask yourself one question. What am I trying to become? Do not answer out loud. Just feel the answer. If your chest feels heavy, if your eyes look down, it means somewhere you have compromised with yourself. That discomfort is not your enemy. It is your guide. Step 3. What you are avoiding. Now take a pen and paper. Write down just one thing you have been avoiding. It could be a habit, a decision, or a responsibility. Just one. The moment you accept it, its power over you starts to fade. Remember, change does not start with denial. It starts with honesty. Step 4. The 60-minute reset. Now set a timer for 1 hour and divide it into 3 parts. Body, 20 minutes. Walk, stretch, exercise, or do a few push-ups. Move your body, because a stuck life first freezes in the body. Mind, 20 minutes. Write everything down. Fear, anger, overthinking, confusion, frustration. Do not hold back. This is not writing. This is mental cleaning. And finally, stillness, 20 minutes. Now sit in complete silence. Phone away. Eyes closed. Do nothing. In silence, life speaks. Step 5. The night promise. At 9 p.m., stand in front of the mirror again and say this to yourself. Today, I did not run away. It was not perfect, but it was real. That is enough. Life doesn't change through perfection. It changes by facing and accepting the truth. Friends, one day will not fix your entire life, but one day can show you who you really are. And once a person lives one honest day, they can never live their whole life in lies again. Choose your day today, not tomorrow, not someday, today. Because sometimes, to fix your life, you do not need a whole year. You only need one honest day. If this video has inspired you to bring change within yourself, don't scroll away. Just pick one day and start a new beginning from there. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.